rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Hello everyone, welcome to this vlog. It's Friday. This beautiful top that I'm wearing is originally from Princess Polly, but I thrifted it here in Kenya. And yeah guys, this was the day that I was heading to Naivasha to just visit and spend my weekend over there.
I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
How you know you have arrived in Naivasha is just by seeing all of these greenhouses around. After having my first bottle of Fanta, I went to shop first.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good.
Back at Vatican, it was my first time in this place and I was craving this nyama choma. But let me tell you guys, I'm going to be real and honest, it disappointed me. Like, it was a bit tough. Yeah, but the place overall, it's good vibes. So
praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good.
morning guys, so it's Saturday morning. I'm in Naivasha. I came to visit. Yesterday I went to check out Seven Sunday, but they were closed, and then I went to check out the ENQUIRIES, but it was not the market day, so things were a bit high. So I got a few things from the market, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. I just got a few pieces. I got like this off-shoulder top, and then I just got tops, and then I got this other one. It's cute, blue. Do you know guys, by the way, that blue is my favorite color? Yeah, it is my favorite color, but not any other blue, like baby blue. That's my favorite. And I got like these socks, and then I got this other one. I got this. Hey, nilikuwa nimeishiwa na socks watu wangu. And then this other one, and this top. It's like a hoodie. It has like a smiley face, and it's a top, a crop. So what are we going to call it? A crop shirt, a crop t-shirt, hoodie, I don't know. Yeah, but this is how it looks like. So those are the few things that I got from the market. So by the way guys, I saw a Seven Sunday store in Nakuru. When I get back, I'll just be checking them out there, because when I was passing there, everything was on offer. But I was coming to Naivasha, so I couldn't stop over there. But the Naivasha store is bigger than the Nakuru store. Like the Nakuru store, I think I just saw it, I didn't enter, but it's just like a small one. So yeah. So guys, by the way, this is not my natural hair. Or does it not look like my natural hair? This is not my natural hair, it's Brazilian crochet. I've been rocking this for a week now and I'm loving it. It's a very lightweight, and yeah, we love lightweight because healthy hair girls.
You look great, I like you. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine.
It's so hot. By the way guys, I changed my Instagram username from Philly Crescent back to Crescent Philly. Follow me there. This is the entranceway to 7 Sunday store in Nakuru, and to my surprise, it's actually a very big store. Like, I didn't expect this, guys. This room has men clothing, it has curtains, I saw some shoes and bags, and surprisingly the prices were actually okay. Like, everything on this day was 300 Kenyan shillings, and I think that's a good price. And this is me showing you guys the way to the other room where they have shoes, they have bags for ladies, they have ladies clothing plus kids clothing, and the room is big and they have a variety of things, guys. They have dresses, they have skirts, they have trousers, they have official wear, they have night dresses and shorts, and prices were the same, 300 Kenyan shillings on both the men, the ladies sides. I checked some of the pieces and flipped some of the items, and let me tell you guys, the quality is there. Yeah, I loved this place.